Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to gmgn. Wow, I actually got that right on the first try. So when you open up gmgn, you will be presented with the screen which will ask you connect to Telegram or sign in with your wallet. Now for those who maybe missed the screen or you click past it, to get back to it, all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on connect. So now that we're back here, all you want to do is click on sign in with wallet. So now from here, it's going to show you all your wallet options, and we want Phantom Wallet, and it's already installed as you can see. So we'll click on Phantom Wallet. Now from here, it'll either prompt you to sign into Phantom Wallet or it'll just bring up this pop-up and you can say connect. Now, once you've done that, you will click confirm for the sign message, and that's it. You can now see on the top right that our Phantom wallet is connected. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.